Hi friends, thanks for watching my channel App Developers. My name is Srikanth. Let's learn something new today. Today's topic is Force Update. Nowadays, for any business who want to grow, they have to opt the technology to showcase their products or to provide their services. They have to opt the technology and they have to be in online. To achieve this, we have a couple of options like websites, mobile applications, or desktop applications. Unlike websites, applications runs in a different way. While growing, we may need to launch different versions of softwares. Whereas in the website, once we implement the new features or once we fix the major bugs, we need to deploy it in the servers. Once we deploy, upcoming hits will load the latest version and end user will consume the latest version. Whereas in the mobile applications, it won't work like that. We have to upload a latest version to the either Play Store or App Store, and end user needs to download the latest version to utilize the new features. In the long run of the application life, we may face a situations like all the end users needs to be in the latest version of the application. In this case, force update is only the solution. It helps maintaining the compatibility and performance across all the devices and also minimizes the risks of outdated versions causing issues. We can achieve this force update features in two ways. One of the way is cloud-based approach. In this approach, we may need to implement a REST API or integrate some SDKs like Firebase Remote Config or Flagsmith or etc. to achieve to fetch the minimum application version to run. Any point in time, if the application finds the current version is lower than the minimum required version, application forces the user to update to the latest version. There are several cons in this approach. It needs additional APIs to implement or third-party SDKs to integrate in the application. It creates additional work. It requires a manual intervention also. Once we release the latest version, once we publish, administrator needs to update the minimum version in the dashboard to make the latest version as a force update version. In this process, admin must have a full understanding of what is the impact of changing the minimum app version. To address these are all the issues or cons, we have another approach called app version based approach. In this approach, applications rely on the best practice of maintaining the app versions. Typically, app versions are maintained in x.y.z format, whereas xindex indicates major release, y-index indicates minor release, and z-index indicates patch release. Each and every release, we will increment the version number. If we can define all the major releases or force update versions, application will fetch the latest version and compare the current version that is there any major releases available or not. If it finds a major release available, then it will force the end user to update the latest version. The main advantage with this approach is we can say it is a very less or no risk approach and there is no manual intervention in this approach. To fetch the latest version available in the App Store or Play Store, we have several ways. For the App Store, iTunes provides an API, public API. If you pass the bundle ID, it will give you the metadata of the application, which contains the latest version of the application. Whereas in the Play Store for Android, there is a Google Play in-app updates SDK, where it will fetch the latest version of the application. As a conclusion, force update is one of the must feature each and every application should have. It may not useful in the initial days, but in the long run, it will be useful and it will be the lifesaver also. If you required how to implement the force update in iOS and Android, feel free to comment in the comment section so that in the upcoming videos, I will provide you the detailed step-by-step integration. Thanks for watching my channel. If you have any questions or want to know more about developing this feature, feel free to comment out below. Let's learn together, let's grow together. If you feel this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.